Here's my unboxing and review for the 1:40 scale Megapack Charger that Tesla released about 2 months ago. I've been waiting to receive this for about 40 days because, unbeknownst to me when I hit the order button, the descriptor on the website indicated that I was going to be waiting for between 2 and 6 weeks. Now, 5 weeks later, the descriptor indicates 2 to 9 weeks. Let's get this started. On the front, it provides the description, that it is a 140 scale Megapack Charger, and it shows the Tesla logo. On the reverse side, you have a label that provides the information describing it as the 1:40 scale Megapack Charger, and it provides some interesting details. It indicates that it has a battery capacity of 3,500 milliamp hours at 21.9 volts. That is equivalent to 76.65 watt hours. Interestingly, further below, it indicates cell 3,500 milliamp hours times 6 pieces with a rated capacity of 11,000 milliamp hours. That means that this battery capacity is almost identical to my 2017 15-inch MacBook Pro. The input voltages, it can receive up to 65 watts of power, ideally using USB-C. Output type, it can output USB-C at a maximum of 100 watts with the voltages of 5, 9, 12, 15, 20 volts. On the flip side, USB-A, it can output at 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12. On the right-hand side, you have the QR code that they use internally to identify the part number so that they could get onto the right box. And then, last but not least, in the middle, Tesla 1:40 scale Megapack Charger, Tesla logo, made on Earth by humans. Let's get started. Now the plastic wrap is out of the way. Let's see what it looks like. So one of the interesting things is that each of these is designed to open and close. The description on the website does indicate that it was made with the CAD drawings that they use to make the actual cabinet. And the details are impressive. Each detail you see, that is not a sticker. That is actually injection molded, so that is very highly detailed for those details. Another detail to notice before we even take it out of the box, those holes are the mounting holes for if we were to mount the full scale unit onto a concrete pad. It is a pretty hefty unit. I would ballpark the weight at about 5 pounds, maybe. Something in that ballpark. It's pretty hefty for what it is, which kind of expect that with a battery capacity as large as it has. You have high grade details on the top showing those cooling fans. And on the back, you also have those holes. Now on the bottom, it provides you all your details that you need for the output voltages. I'm going to set that down for a moment. There's your quick start guide that provides details for you. Shows you how to check the remaining battery level. Which this indicates it is currently at 50%. 25 to 50% rather, according to the description. Provides you additional information, such as how you can use it to charge the power bank, product specifications that were described on the outside of the packaging, and then here we are going into other language. So it says French, Dutch, if I recall correct, NL is Netherlands, ES for Espanol, Spanish, and IT for Italian, and that is our last page. Additionally, it included a safety instructions packet that also has information on each of the aforementioned languages. Regarding this Megapack charger, it has phenomenal detail for the cost of the unit. I expected those to be stickers inside these, when in reality, they turned out to be injection molded plastic. So I am already quite impressed with this. Given the capacity of this bank, I expect to be able to use this for my laptop quite a lot, as well as for other devices. One thing I will do is provide a update down in the comments to give a timeline regarding how long it will take to charge from this 20 to 50% to the 100%. And I do anticipate this being able to run my laptop for an extended period of time. Thank you. You all have a wonderful day.